brought my caddy down here to Easton to the Cars and Coffee. It's a good show every Saturday morning from like 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. It's always a good turnout down here. I love coming down here with my Cadillac. I'm mostly down here every other week with a 49 Cadillac or a 53 Cadillac, but today I brought my 1941 Cadillac, the 7533 model, limo. I bought the car 15 years ago from a guy named Luther Jones. The car is all original. Took second place in the Grand National Cadillac show they had here a couple years here in Las Vegas. The car is real nice, quiet, runs smooth. I love driving it around town. Well, it has a 346 engine in it, V8. It's a 3-on-3 transmission. You got a shifter, got the first, second, and a reverse. That's all they got. I could take it up to about 65, 70 miles an hour on the freeway. Does pretty well. Well, this car here came with the divider window that goes up and down with electric. It got 2 radios, a radio in the back. When the person's in the back, can control their own radio. You got even a secret compartment for a gun if you want to keep a gun in the back. But the car is real nice. It's all original upholstery inside, and I love it. No, the only thing about the car, I like it a lot. Like I said, I restored the car about 10 years ago. There's a lot of chrome on this car. The chrome on this car probably ranges from $10,000 to $15,000 if you had to do the chrome from inside out. The paint job was done by Devious down here, right here on Sunset in Decatur. He did a great job. It only took about 5 months to paint the car, and the car came out excellent. It was beautiful black. Yeah, the 41 Cadillac is for sale. Anybody want to reach me, like I said, my phone number is 702-600-2452. I take all offers, but the car is worth it. You've never seen one like this on the road today. Car show here is on Easton. Come down anytime. You'll see a lot of great guys. You can mingle, network. We got everything here. Thank you.